Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best mobile workbench cabinet that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Thor Kitchen Mobile Workbench. If you're looking for the best cabinet to organize your things, this product will be one of the best options for you. It is made from the best quality stainless steel, which is pretty durable and wear resistant. It comes with 15 drawers, which will give you a large storage space to store all of your belongings neatly. Plus, each of the drawers is strong and sturdy enough to support up to 100 pounds of total weight. It consists of 4 durable wheels that will allow the cabinet to slide against the floor smoothly and make it convenient for you to move it around to anywhere you want without having to lift it by yourself. With this high-quality mobile workbench cabinet, you will be able to store everything you want in it and won't have to worry about the messy room ever again. At number 4. Milwaukee Mobile Workbench Cabinet. This high-performance mobile workbench cabinet is definitely one of the best products you need to take into consideration. It is constructed from the best quality steel, which is super durable and won't break down easily. It comes with different vibrant colors, which will give you plenty of choices to choose the perfect one that suits your taste. Plus, this product consists of adjustable shelves which are pretty convenient for you to store different sizes of items. The wooden top design gives off a vintage vibe and will be able to lift the atmosphere of the room and will look great no matter where you put it. This mobile workbench cabinet will provide you with large storage spaces to store all of your supplies and will help you organize your things neatly instead of leaving them all over the place. The durable wheels will allow the cabinet to go smoothly on any surface and make it convenient for you to move it around. At number 3. HuskyTools Mobile Workbench. This premium mobile workbench cabinet is made from high-quality materials with wooden tabletop which is built to last and scratch-resistant. It will provide you enough storage space to organize all of your supplies and document neatly instead of leaving them to scatter messily. Each of the drawers is strong enough to hold up to 100 pounds of maximum weight. The large drawer at the bottom will be able to support up to 200 pounds and will be able to slide in and out smoothly without any problems. Plus, it comes with durable wheels that can be trustworthy when you want to move the cabinet to different places. It also consists of a heavy-duty handle that will give you a good grip on it when dragging the cabinet to anywhere you want. The wooden tabletop gives you more room to store your things, or you can just decorate it to suit the atmosphere of the room. At number 2. Seville Classics Mobile Workbench. This high-performance mobile workbench cabinet is constructed from the best quality of stainless steel, which is corrosion-proof and anti-fingerprint. It's super durable and will be able to last for a long time. It will offer you large storage space for all your necessary documents and many other supplies and will help you organize your things neatly. It comes with 11 drawers that will be able to slide in and out smoothly, which will be easy for you to open and close it. Plus, it consists of a cabinet with 2 doors with an adjustable shelf that will allow you to adjust it in different heights. This mobile workbench is strong enough to support up to 500 pounds of maximum weight. It also has a durable handle which will allow you to drag it effortlessly to anywhere you want. The drawers and cabinet have security locks so that you won't have to be worried about the safety of any valuable things. The heavy-duty wheels will allow this workbench to glide smoothly against any surface. At number 1. Husky 46-in Mobile Workbench. The Husky 46-in 9-drawer mobile workbench provides a variety of options for your tool storage needs and supports up to 1,100 pounds. Measuring 24.5 in and offering 19,724 cu/in of storage capacity, this unit boasts a solid wood top for a stylish yet durable work surface and has an all-black finish. The full-width drawer easily accommodates longer items, while 2 extra deep bottom drawers are ideal for storing heavy, bulky items and are supported by 100 pounds. Rated ball bearing slides. The large, aluminum drawer pulls are protected by end caps for safety and recess flush into the cabinet for a sleek look. For increased mobility, this workbench features a built-in power center with 6 outlets and 2 USB ports to charge power tools and devices. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.